Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x80004005. So if you are receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For that, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows Update, and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are receiving the error message, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows Powershell admin, click on yes to allow, copy the first command and paste it on the Powershell window, then hit the enter key. Now once this scan is 100% complete, then you run the second command. Now first of all, let the first scan complete, then you run the second command in the Powershell window, then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. So make sure this is 100%, then restart your computer and then try to update Windows 10. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. For that, open command prompt. So go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box, then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, click on yes, and run all the command one by one. And then hit the enter key. If you receive any kind of error message, just ignore it and then move to the next command. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and close the command prompt window and then open PowerShell as an admin. So just make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell admin and then click on yes to allow, and then run this command, copy it and you can paste it over here, then hit the enter key, and then you can exit the command prompt. So you can go ahead and type in exit, hit the enter key, and then after this you go ahead and click on the power icon, then click on restart. So make sure that you restart the computer after running all the commands. So after the restart, it will go ahead and update your Windows 10. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and restart Windows Update Services from the services. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator and then find Windows Update. So scroll down and here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected, click on restart the service. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. The next step is to delete the content of software distribution folder. For this, first of all, go ahead and type in recovery options in Windows search box. Type in recovery options, then click on recovery options. We will go to the safe mode. For safe mode, now over here you can see advanced startup. Click on restart now. So once you click on restart, your computer will restart, and after the restart you will see this screen which will tell you to choose an option. So click on troubleshoot. Once you click on troubleshoot, under troubleshoot you will see the option which says reset and then you see advanced option. click on advanced option. Now under the advanced option you will see startup settings, so make sure that you click on startup settings only. Now once you click on startup settings, you will see this screen, and on the bottom right here you will see the restart option. So click on restart and your computer will restart, and then you will see this screen under startup settings. Now over here you can see enable safe mode, so you can press the number 4 on the keyboard or you can press F4. So you can just type in, you can go ahead and just press F4 on the keyboard. You will find the F4 keyboard on the top of your keyboard. So press F4, which will activate enable safe mode, and your computer will restart and it will go to the safe mode. Now once you are in safe mode, then open File Explorer on your computer and then go to this PC, then open C drive, then open the Windows folder, and over here you will find software distribution folder. So open this software distribution folder, select everything, make a right click and then click on delete, click on yes. In my case I'm not in safe mode, so I'm not able to delete everything. So once you go in safe mode you should be able to delete everything. If something is not deleting, you can simply close this window, go back and then go ahead and delete SoftwareDistribution.old folder if you find this. If you don't find it, leave it. If you find it, make a right click, then click on delete. And once this is deleted, go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after this restart, your computer will log in to the normal mode. It will be out of safe mode, and then you can try to update your Windows 10. Now if still you're unable to update your Windows 10, then you can use Windows 10 Update Assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on Update Now. Now once you click on Update Now, a exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file. Click on Open. Click on it, and this will open the Update Assistant tool. And it will check the update. If there is any update, it will tell you to install, and then your Windows will be up to date. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can, if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool. So on the same website, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. It will load media creation tool. Now agree to the terms, click on accept. Now by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So make sure this is selected, then click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then you can click on install, and once the installation is done, log into your computer and that your Windows will be up to date. So one of the steps should definitely help you to update your Windows 10 successfully. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.